The spotlight is on India's infrastructure again. Roads, bridges, and airports opened with much fanfare once upon a time continue to be under scrutiny over maintenance issues. While we have spoken at length about the hoardings collapsing in Mumbai, cracks in the newly inaugurated Atal Setu, roof of Ram Temple leaking, and the roof of newly inaugurated Delhi Airport's Terminal 1 collapsing, a part of canopy at Rajkot Airport Terminal also collapsed. As if this wasn't enough, 12 bridges have collapsed in the past 17 days across the state of Bihar. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Let's deep dive into the failed infrastructure of Bihar. The latest in the list was bridge collapse occurring on Thursday in Bihar's Saran district. This marks the third bridge collapse in Saran within 24 hours, as confirmed by the district magistrate Aman Sameer.
मधुबनी जिले के मधेपुर प्रखंड में भूतिया नदी पे बन रहा पुल टूट गया कल 27 तारीख को और लगभग में ये पुल 4-5 साल से बन रहा है, अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ। छोटा सा पुल है और 4-5 साल में कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ और उसमें भी टूट गया। गांव वालों के लिए चिंता का विषय है।
No casualties were reported in the collapse of 15-year-old bridge over the Gandaki River, which connected villages in Saran to neighboring Siwan district. The cause of collapse is still under investigation, but the officials have noted a recent destilling work in the area. A public interest litigation was filed on July 4th in the Supreme Court, seeking directions to Bihar government to undertake a structural audit and set up an expert committee to identify the bridges that can be either strengthened nor demolished based on the findings. The bill was filed by advocate and petitioner Brajesh Singh, raised concerns about the safety and longevity of the bridges in the state that witnessed floods and heavy rains during the monsoon. In the past 17 days, 12 bridges have collapsed across the state, including the latest incident. The latest collapse adds to a growing list of the bridge failures in the state. Out of the 3 bridges in Saran, 2 are on the Gandak River, located barely a kilometer apart. The collapse within 2 hours on Wednesday. One of these bridges, constructed in 2004, was near Dodhnath Temple, while other was in the British-era structure. The 3-bridge of 15-year-old structure over Gandaki River collapsed on Thursday. Apart from Saran, bridge collapses have been reported in Siwan, Chhapra, Madhubani, Araria, East Champaran and Kishanganj districts over the past fortnight. On Wednesday, 3 more bridges, 2 in Siwan, 1 in Saran, collapsed, bringing the total number of fallen bridges in Bihar to 12 in just 17 days. This prompted Bihar Rural Work Department Minister Ashok Chaudhary to announce the formation of a 3-member committee headed by Chief Engineer to investigate the causes behind these collapses. These incidents come a day after Chief Minister Nitish Kumar ordered a survey of all old bridges in the state to identify those needing urgent repairs. The Chief Minister has called for improved bridge maintenance policies from both the Road Construction Department and the Rural Works Department. According to a statement issued by the Chief Minister's office, Kumar was asked to department heads to take strict action against those found for responsible of the bridge failures. Present at the meeting were Bihar's Chief Secretary Brijesh Mehrotra, Principal Secretary of RCD and the Principal Secretary of RWD, and senior officials. The Chief Minister's directive also included ensuring proper maintenance of all the structures across the state. Chaitanya Prasad, Additional Chief Secretary of the RWD, commented on the issue, stating that certain proportions of the bridges and causeways that capped in Siwan and Saran on Wednesday were very old. These structures don't seem to have been constructed following required parameters. It also appears that the foundation was not deep enough, a reason why these structures got damaged during the floods. The recent series of the bridge collapses has put the Bihar government on high alert. DM Aman Sameer confirmed that the latest incident involved a small bridge over Gandaki River in the Baneyapur block, which connected several villages in Saran with the neighboring Siwan district. The district administration is also investigating the cause of latest collapse. On Wednesday, Saran district saw collapses of 2 small bridges in Janta Bazar and Lal Dhapur areas. These incidents have raised serious concerns about the safety and durability of Bihar's infrastructure. Amidst this, Union Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi suggested a potential conspiracy behind the recent spate of bridges collapses, questioning why these incidents started occurring only after the Lok Sabha elections. Manjhi speculated about a possible agenda to discredit the state government. In his response, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar reiterated his call for a thorough survey and immediate repairs of old bridges. He stressed upon the importance of maintaining quality in under-construction bridges and also ensuring their timely completion. The opposition has been quick to criticize the ruling government. Rashtriya Janata Dal leader Tejasvi Yadav accused the state government of negligence and corruption. In a series of posts on social media, Yadav highlighted the frequency of these collapses, noting that 5 bridges alone fell on July 4th. Since July 18, a total of 12 bridges have collapsed, a situation Yadav described as auspicious corruption by the government. Tejasvi Yadav called out Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar for their silence on these incidents, accusing them of ignoring the state's infrastructure issues. He suggested that government's claims of good governance and anti-corruption have failed in the light of these events. Meanwhile, the ruling party, Janata Dal, attributed the collapses to heavy rains and excess water flow from the rivers in Nepal. Altogether, 12 bridges have collapsed in the districts of Siwan, Saran, Madhubani, Araria, East Champaran, Kishanganj in over past 17 days. The latest incidents add urgency to Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's directives for a comprehensive survey and maintenance plan for the state's bridges. The Chief Minister emphasized that the RCD has already prepared its bridge maintenance policy and urged the RWD to finalize its plan promptly. The goal is to ensure the proper upkeep and safety of all bridges, old as well as the new, to prevent further incidents and safeguard the public infrastructure. As Bihar grappling with the bridge collapses and infrastructure challenges, all eyes are on the actions taken by the government in the coming days to address the root causes and ensure the safety and reliability of the state bridges. Do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.